Welcome to online class of Subarda High School, and I am Mohammad Kofilur Rahman, Senior Teacher, Subarda High School. Now I teach English subject in class 8, topic unseen passage. All of student and guardian must be remembered respectfully about the topic, especially student class 8 or JSC, unseen passage. How can you read and answer question number 4 and 5 from the unseen passage? It is so easy if you follow and realize the topic. So you go firstly read unseen passage. Here said it's unseen passage, uncommon. It's completely unknown, but you try to answer from the question number 4 and 5 from the topic. Go you read. Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir was an officer in Bangladesh Army during the Liberation War in 1971. He was born on 7 March 1949 at Rohimganj village under Babuganj Upazila in Borishal district. He finished his SSC from the Borishal BM College. In 1967, he took admission in the Department of Statistics at the University of Dhaka. On 5 October in 1967, he joined the armed forces as a cadet at the Pakistan Military Academy. He obtained commission rank in the engineering corps. In 1968, he was promoted to the rank of captain. 30 August 1970, he was an officer in Sector 7 of the Mukti Bahini. He was given the responsibility to fight at the Chapai Nawabganj border at Rajshahi district. On 14 December in 1971, he was killed in an attempt to break through enemy defenses on the bank of the Mahananda River. He was buried near Sonamoshid premises. Recognition of his valor and sacrifice in the War of Liberation, Muhyiddin Jahangir was awarded with the highest state honor of Bir Shrestha. We read about the topic and can we guess or understand? Here said about the Bir Shrestha Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir. So we go to question. Complete the table below with appropriate information. Who, what, event, activity, where, when. Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir, an officer, where? Kothakar. That is, here you must input place, where. He, event, activity, etc. Second question, Borishal BM College, that is completed or finished. He, Dhaka University, that is took admission. You follow. In 1967, age of 67, he took admission in the Department of Statistics. He took admission. He promoted to the rank of captain. You follow? He was promoted to the rank of captain 30 August 1970. He was killed 14 December 1971. Where? Chapai-Nawabganj, Mahananda River. On the bank of the river Chapai-Nawabganj. You follow? He was killed in an attempt to break through enemy defenses on the bank of the Mahananda River. Mahananda River. On the bank of the Mahananda River, that is Chapai-Nawabganj. Chapai-Nawabganj, bank of the Mahananda River. Okay? Next question. Read the passage again and write. প্যাসেজটাকে আবারও পড়তে হবে এবং এই কোশ্চেনগুলোকে লিখতে হবে। হোয়ার দ্য স্টেটমেন্টস আর ট্রু অর ফলস, যেটা ট্রু ট্রু লিখতে হবে, যেটা ফলস ফলস লিখতে হবে। গিভেন কারেক্ট আনসার, সঠিকটা লিখতে হবে। ইফ দ্য স্টেটমেন্ট ইজ ফলস, যদি কোনো স্টেটমেন্ট কোনো সেন্টেন্স ফলস হয় সেটাকে কারেক্ট লিখতে হবে ফলস লেখার পরে। আফটার writing false, you must input your answer paper or answer booklet correct answer. Okay, so if you go to answer question number 4, you must not art the chart, you answer plainly, only answer to the question number 4 and serial number Roman 1 2 3 4 5. You must not art the chart, you only answer. Okay, so you follow how you can answer the question number 4 from the unseen passage. You input question Roman question 1 to 5 and input your answer. Question: where? Bangladesh Army Academy. Where? Bangladesh Army Academy. Bangladesh Army, that's enough. Bangladesh Army. Okay, next question. Completed. He finished. HSC from BM College. He dash Dhaka University. He took admission. He took admission. Took admission. Last question. At the Chapai-Nawabganj bank of the Mahananda River. Both are correct. Sorry. He was promoted the rank of 30 August 1970. Promoted 1970 or 30 August 1970. The bank of the river Mahananda. The bank of the river Mahananda or the bank of the Mahananda river. Chapai-Nawabganj. Chapai-Nawabganj. Chapai-Nawabganj, bank of Mahananda river. This is the way. Question number 5, you answer plainly from the unseen passage. Okay. Next we go. Question number 5, true or false? We go to read. Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir was a true patriot. Yes, it is true. He fought the country heart and soul. Okay, yes, true. He obtained commission rank in 1970. The passage. Commission rank 1970, false. Here 1968. Next, during the liberation war, Rajshahi district was in sector 7. No, sector 7, sector 9, sector 7. Sector 7. False. So, false. Next, Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir fled away from the battlefield. False. Captain Muhyiddin Jahangir fought heart and soul and sacrificed his honorable life. You go to write the answer. A, that is true. B, true. C, false. Correct answer. Or correct information. Both are correct. He obtained commission rank in 1968. He obtained commission rank in 1968. Number D, false. Correct answer. During the liberation war, Rajshahi was in sector 7. so easy if you follow the unseen passage. During Liberation War, Rajshahi district was in Sector 7. Last question. Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir fled away from the battle. এর বাংলা মিনিংটা হচ্ছে যুদ্ধক্ষেত্র থেকে মহিউদ্দিন জাহাঙ্গীর পলায়ে গেছেন। আসলে প্যাসেজে বলা হচ্ছে উনি সেখানে নিজের জীবন শেষ পর্যন্ত যুদ্ধ করেছিলেন। সো ইউ ইনপুট ইয়োর আনসার ফলস। কারেক্ট আনসার Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir fought at the last moment of his life. শেষ মুহূর্ত পর্যন্ত যুদ্ধ করেছিলেন। Beloved student of mine, follow this unseen passage and how can you answer from the unseen passage question number 4 and 5, that is complete the table and true false. This is the way you must follow and practice at your home randomly your particular book from the model question, all kinds of unseen passages. If you practice at your home, you can do. It is true, if any student follow and practice at your home, you must develop your own career. 2 days no more. Okay, all of you, beloved and my loved, all of students of Shubharda High School and others, take care your own health and others of your family, as because during the period of coronavirus disease. Okay, thank you so much.